Okay, so now let's talk about virtual members. So actually, why doesn't everybody just type this out right now? All right, type it out, guys. I just reset your ready check because we're going to be working on improving this design a little bit with virtual members here in a moment, but I kind of would like a baseline for people just to type this out first.
If you want to answer Eli's question over on the panel real quick.
Can you distinguish why you use right line rather than right, like you were in the last class? Right line automatically inserts a new line character at the end of the output. Right does not. So I'll often use right for prompts, like if I want some text to appear before I expect the user to insert some text, then I would use right so that it doesn't insert a new line. But generally for output, I'll be using right line. Why isn't print person part of the person class? We're about to make it so, because I just wanted people to get this typed out, to get kind of used to typing out this sort of inheritance stuff. But I'm very shortly going to have people type out some more stuff, which should go a lot faster now that you have the basic program already typed out. So the first thing I want you to do is delete lines 37 through 41. And then, of course, lines 26 and 31. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to introduce the concept of virtual members. So let's go ahead and write public void display, a basic member on our person class, where we can say first name, comma, last name, and then say first name, comma, last name. Basically, I just removed the static display person method and the two invocations of that. Okay, so now that we've moved up the display method into the person class, now we can add a few lines of code by saying p1.display and then Nelson.display. So let's go ahead and hit F5, and you should see this. So go ahead and type out those modifications really quickly. There, I only added a single. I removed a method, added a method, and removed 2 lines and added 2 lines. Okay, can we use var instead of person and employee? Are we going to demonstrate something with them? Yes, you can use implicit typing here. Okay, so moving on. So right now, if we go ahead and run this, then you notice that we get the same output on both ones, and that's not very interesting. What we want is we want our employee class to behave differently than our person class. So let's go ahead and do what comes to mind first.